Hello, and welcome to day 2, Tuesday, December 15th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then, you'll click Async. You have 2 activities today. The first activity is creating a claim. Now remember, a claim is a problem and a solution. So you are going to create a claim, a problem and a solution based on this evidence that you have here. Okay, so you are going to write a claim about handling COVID-19. All right, so you have this evidence here, and you are going to find out what the problem is and what is a solution. Okay, not for each one. Remember, think of these as some facts and some statistics. Okay, so you're going to find a problem and a solution. You're going to create a problem and a solution that goes with these 4 pieces of evidence. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is a little bit confusing, but it's something you already know how to do. So you're going to create a problem and a solution about handling COVID-19. That's the first assignment. Second assignment is in MEL. You're going to complete two grammar activities. And that's it for async. It's Tuesday, so we will have class together in sync. So what we're going to do, we're going to work on our essays. We're going to incorporate evidence into our body paragraphs. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, and that's it. Good luck.